how to download and install Capcut app on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install Capcut on your laptop or PC, then first of all make sure you have a stable internet connection. And the next step is to open up your Microsoft Store. So to do that, what you have to do is you have to click on Windows, and then on the search bar you have to search for Microsoft Store and click on that. And after opening the Microsoft, you will have a search bar on the upper side. You can simply click on the search bar, and then on the search bar you have to search for Capcut. So after searching, you will have this Capcut application. You can simply click on this Capcut, and now you will have install option. But for now I have already installed it. But if you want to download it, then you will have a install option. You can simply click on install. It may take some time to install, and after installing you can go back and then again click on the Windows, and here you can search for Capcut and you can open this application. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.